In this video, you'll be learning another simplest way on how to shut down with mouse in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a command text there. All you need to do is you need to copy it and paste it to the notepad or any document app that you have in your Windows PC. Okay? So once you have copied it, you need to proceed here at the desktop, make a right click please and go with new and please choose for a shortcut. Okay, so this kind of window would appear where here you need to paste the first command text, which is SlideToShutDown.exe. So Control C to copy, minimize this window, and from here make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted it, hit on next, and you can rename that into the name that you would like to give. In my case, I'll be renaming it into Shutdown. Once you have created this one, we need to move on the changing the icon of this new shortcut. So how we can do so, make a right click here, and from that please choose for properties and click on this changed icon. Eventually you need to proceed with OK, and can here you can change an icon. So all you need to do is you need to copy the second command, which is this one. So all you need to do is you need to copy this command or path link, and from here you need to control A to select the whole and control V to paste or to replace that and hit OK. And in that way you need to proceed with changed icon, and in that way you would be able to see this one. So please choose this shutdown icon, click on OK, click on apply, and then OK. Once you have applied it, you can now sh- shut down or turn off the PC by double tapping. Okay, and the moment you do that, you would be able to slide to shut down your PC. So when you slide it here to the downside of the screen, when you slide to shut down, in that way you would be able to turn off the PC. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.